To stop Bixby Vision from auto-detecting object, text, or scene in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, first you have to enable capture button in the Bixby Vision setting. To do so, go to App Screen, find Bixby Vision. To do it quickly, tap the search, and then type Bixby Vision. Next, long tap Bixby Vision, and then select App Info, tap Bixby Vision setting. Under General section, tap the gray on offset next to Show Capture button to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on, and the capture button will be displayed in its mode. By doing this, now Bixby Vision will not auto-detect object, text, or screen unless you tap the capture button. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.